Computer-supported collaborative science, CSCS, is a teaching methodology that uses collaborative web-based resources to engage all learners in the collection, analysis, and interpretation of individual data in the context of whole class data. CSCS fosters scientific inquiry by using collaborative online resources to assess prior knowledge, collect and analyze student ideas, data, and comments. It provides instructors the opportunity to perform continuous formative assessments to inform and reform their own instruction. CSCS turns hands-on classroom activities into more authentic scientific experiences, shifting the focus from cookbook data collection to thoughtful data analysis. By analyzing pooled data, students will be able to see trends and patterns that would otherwise be invisible. In this mini-course, you will develop the skills to establish an environment in which your students will routinely analyze their own data in the context of entire class data. You will learn how to transform traditional science investigations into collaborative investigations, in which students pool their data, examine trends, and make inferences based on large data sets. We hope to see you in the class.